My name is Vicki. I'm 56 years old. I came to see Dr. Lamb because I was interested in having some work done that was not scary and that would not cause me to have permanent scars. I've been that route and I didn't want to go there again. I had fat grafting in my hands. The bones and veins were really starting to be prominent, and I decided that if I was going to have work done on my face, that I shouldn't let my hands give away my age. And so I had the fat grafting done on my hands as well as in my face, and Dr. Lamb filled in the folds that were starting to appear here, and filled in the area above my eye that was starting to really look like a landslide, and it doesn't look like that anymore. I'm 2 weeks out from surgery on the fat grafting, and I came in yesterday, so I'm 1 day out from having hair transplantation. And I wanted to have that done because I was losing hair right in the front of my head where it shows the most. And I had plenty of hair in the back to donate, so we just repositioned it to a better place. And I would like for anyone who's thinking of this to know that there's no reason to be afraid. There's some discomfort initially, but there's never any actual pain, as you know, you'd call, oh, ouch pain. It's just a slightly uncomfortable sensation. And today, 1 day after my hair transplant, I don't feel any pain. I just feel really happy. And if you looked at my head, you might see a few tiny little red dots, but no one in the world would ever know what it was. So I think you can see that I don't look particularly scary at this point, and I'm 2 weeks out from the facial surgery and 1 day from the hair transplantation.
Let's take a look at those little red dots that Vicki talked about. I want to show you the sites that we've created here. As you can see at a close-up view of Vicki's hairline, it really looks pretty natural. You can't even see that anything was really done here, but you can see all the little sites that are already showing through the hair. Go ahead and turn down your head like just a moment ago. That's wonderful. And Amina, why don't you start peeling back the hair a bit? You can see how perfectly interlocked these sites are. The angulation is perfect, and this is really creating a considerable density for her. And it's just really, really tight. And the way that the graft sites are created really allow for maximal density. And really, if you can see, all her native hair has not been touched whatsoever, has not been hurt. And there could be a little bit of temporary shedding, but that's something that does come back in about a few weeks to a month or so. And you can watch our video on how to style women's hairs after hair restoration as well. But you're just looking at how absolutely pristine and perfect each of those sites are.